Okay, royalties, so for today we're going to be starting off with a fresh, clean face when we're using our mask. We'll be using equal parts of the Indian Aztec healing clay and the apple cider vinegar. You can also add essential oils if you choose, but this is just going to be a basic mask for me today. You want to make sure that you get a really good consistency with your mix. You want it to be thick enough to where you can put on a nice 1/2 to 1/4 inch of the mask on your face. So this is how your mask should look once it has a good consistency, and I'm going to use this face applicator to apply my mask. When I'm applying my mask, I like to make sure I get every crevices on my face, including my neck. Because again, ladies, we tend to put makeup on in this area. So we want our face and our neck to be toned. And while I'm waiting for my mask to dry, I'm going to be using my Almond Lip Oil to hydrate these nice luscious lips, honey. So after about a good 15 to 20 minutes, once my Aztec mask has fully dried, I'm going to go back with a white cotton cloth and I'm going to damp it with warm water so I can remove the mask gently. I prefer to use a white cloth because it has no type of dyes or anything in it to cause my skin to get irritated. When I tell you my face feels so soft right now and refreshed, yes, honey, yes. So now I'm going to follow up with my rose water mist, and that's going to just hydrate my skin, and I'm going to let it air dry. Then I'll be using my liquid gold elixir, which is a type of hydration oil used to seal in all of that moisture so your skin can be nice and supple throughout the day. I like to follow up with my rose quartz face roller to tighten my skin and help get rid of wrinkles. So you always start from one section of your face and you roll that area at least 3 times and you move up. Now the bigger side is used for all over your face while the smaller side is used for around your eyes. And just like that, I have a nice, fresh, clean, and hydrated face. As always, if you like my videos, continue to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.